it really took me about a total of about 2 hours
Hmm.
to figure out the iPhone editing. So where you got really good at, cutting and cutting. And I do it on my phone, and then like play, small and this, but I can do it in my driveway
Yeah.
before I go in. It's so quick. It's so, it's mobile. But if you get really good at editing, like you're mentioning, you can control the content that you put out on a regular basis, because you don't have to have a camera crew follow you and be available. I'm like, hey, the set's here. We gotta, it's just you and this right here.
100%. And, one thing I'll add, because we could certainly go into this for hours, but I also try to encourage business owners, once they start down this path of creating content, to understand that you actually don't have to do it. It is important that your content is consistent as it's delivered to your
Hmm.
audience, but we have ways now where you can actually stack the creation side of it. So you could shoot, let's say, 3, 4, 5 videos in one day, and then you have the ability
Right.
to schedule the release of those pieces of content out across your platforms for the course of the week. So you've actually only spent 1 hour making something,
Yes.
and your entire week is full of content, and it doesn't take up your entire week to do it. So these are like, really, again, the power is in the business owner's hands, unlike ever before.
Sure.
And I really think it's phenomenal.